Do you want a quick way to resize your desktop icons or change the Explorer view type? In this video, we will show you quick ways to do both. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article in the description. Open Explorer. Then go to View. You can make your adjustments from tiles, details, extra large icons, small icons. You can change your view type, compact view, details. On the desktop, you can try one of two ways. You can right-click, go to View, and go to Large Icons, Medium Icons, Small Icons, or you can simply hold down the Control button and use the scroll wheel on the mouse. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.